Oh yeah, what's up? This is Donovan Green. Today we're going to talk about your face. We're going to talk about things that you can do to invigorate your face. This is what people tend to see all the time. I mean, I'm sorry you have to see my face, but hey, I'm the one that's doing the video. We tend to age in our underneath the eyes, underneath the neck, and all right here. And we neglect it. We don't moisturize our face properly. We don't do enough exercises. We don't massage it. So today we're going to talk about how to get some of the dirt off your face, and we're going to invigorate and rejuvenate the feelings in your face. I'm going to do certain things for my beard. If you have a beard, then you do the same. We're going to also do stuff in the head. I'm going to start off with some alcohol and paper towel. And then I have some olive oil to rub on the face to produce a smooth surface for the rubbing. And I'm also going to finish off with a facial fuel. I'm not plugged in the company of what I'm using. And then you could also use some exfoliation, okay? So let's start off first with the alcohol. I'm not sure what's going to show up on the camera, but I'm going to take the alcohol and I'm going to spray it on this. And I'm going to rub it across the forehead, over the eyes, underneath the nose. Then I'm going to go behind the ears where you normally get a lot of dirt buildup. Rub behind the neck. And keep in mind, I washed my face this morning and I took a shower. I don't know if you could see the difference in dirt that came up from the alcohol, okay? And I'm gonna do one more. Fold the paper towel again. And I'm gonna do another one. So do the stuff with me. I'm gonna stay here again. I'm gonna rub under. Close the eyes, get the top of the eyelids. Get under the neck. Get a lot of dirt here. And just when you thought you was done, look, can you see it? Hold on, so you can see it. And I'll hold up a clean piece so you can see the difference, all right? So that part is now done. The next thing that I like to do is I like to create stimulation to my beard. And when I do that, the beard, you could do the same thing with your face with a soft brush. But I'm gonna take a comb and I'm just gonna comb down. My beard is a little damped, so that means that the comb should flow through the beard. And what I'm doing, I'm gently stroking straight down. The focus here is to make sure that we are allowing our cells in our body, in our face, to replicate itself. And we're removing a lot of the dead cells. Now the comb is gently stroking over the skin. It's not just through the beard. So you can see from every angle. So do the same thing with a brush. Just start to gently stroke down on top of the brush. I didn't get underneath the neck yet, believe it or not. There we go. Then I'm gonna comb it under the neck. It's gonna get to the point where you kind of feel your skin like burning a little bit. That means that you're probably going too hard. Don't go too hard. Not only is this relaxing, it's also relaxing to watch. All right, there we go. Good. A few more seconds. And relax. Well done. Well done. Ooh, that feels good. I can feel the circulation. Everything is moving. And I can feel the skin. I can feel the skin just doing what it does. And that's what feels amazing. Now I'm going to take some olive oil here. I'm going to put a little olive oil, not a lot. And I'm going to start to work on the face. I'm gonna rub the oil here, and rub it here, and rub some here, and just rub it, okay? So I'm just going on top of the head, coming underneath the eyeballs. I'm pressing gently with the fingers, the tips of the fingers, and I'm pressing. When I come here, you're gonna press down. Breathe. Use the amount of pressure you want. And also when I come out to the temple, right here by the temple, I'm pressing on the way up and I'm pressing on the way down. And I'm pressing on the top of the eyeballs, over the eyebrows. Come here and press. Press more into the eyeballs when you get underneath the eyeball socket. Press and flatten down. When we get those balls underneath the eye, the bags underneath the eyes, that's what makes us look tired, makes us look sleepy. I could almost guarantee that after I'm finished this video, I'm gonna even look better. Guaranteed, because I'm circulating, I'm doing everything that I need to do just to build circulation in the face. Come on, keep it going. Press, press. We're gonna do 3 more of that position. Press. 1, 2, and 3. Good. I'm gonna go right here underneath the nose and come back up. I'm using the trigger finger and I'm trailing underneath the nose. Here, press in, up, then turn in, come up. Go follow that trail. Don't be afraid if your nose get runny. Just use a paper towel to blow out any mucus buildup that you might get. The nose might create some drainage. Press here. Push in. Trail up the nose. Press up. It's all about tension, okay? All about tension. Big squeeze. You want to use both hands, both fingers. You can, as long as you understand the position and where you need to go. Good. Keep on pressing. Press. Breathe. Here you go. One more. Woo. Well done. So now that we've done those 2 parts, we're gonna go here next. I'm gonna go to the top of the head and I'm gonna get a little bit more oil because we're gonna go into that temple. We're gonna pull up, push up and go to the head, to the scalp. Then we're gonna work to the face. So I'm gonna put a little oil in my hair and rub some down the temple. Do this with me. This is where we're starting right now. I'm rubbing through the temple, going over the head. And my palms is pressing into the temple as I go up, run to the back of the head. My thumbs is working to the back of the head. So I'm gonna turn around and you will get an idea on what it looks like from the back, but you keep on going. Keep it up. You go to the back, let the thumb run down. Feels great. Keep it up. You're giving yourself a massage in your scalp. Focus on how great that feels. Let your hands do what your hands do. Your body will naturally know what it needs to do. So now we're gonna come here and I'm gonna go up. I'm pressing in and back and down. I'm going up, pull back, press up into the temple and down. And repeat, up, pull back, press in and down. Don't be afraid to close your eyes and breathe. Enjoy the feeling what you're getting right now. That feels good. Now I'm doing the same thing and I'm combining that movement right underneath that eye again. I'm going right back up into it, up and back. Let's go for one more. Now, we're gonna go right across the face. Down. Yep, make the face look funny. Who cares? Who cares? Press down. Fingers are going here, it's going here, and it's going straight down the temple. Down to the bone right here, okay? I go in. And down, in and down. Just following the trail of the skull. Nicely done. And relax. Phenomenal. Great stuff, okay? So you do that, you wanna feel all of that circulation moving. The last one that I wanna do with the fingers is, I wanna take the fingers right to the back of that neck, right here. Right? This area. And I want you to press in. Grab the top of the head and I want you to press in. Keep on pressing. Feel the tension just releasing from your body, from your spine. Keep on pressing. Then move it a little bit over into the center a bit more. Press. You press it with that thumb in the back of the head. Then go back to that starting point. Then come right to the temple. Hands transfer to the back, thumbs is in the front. Press as much as you can. Breathe. Come on, press more pressure. Beautiful, and relax. Well done. All right, we're gonna get that oil lifted off the face, and I'm gonna use my facial fuel. So I'm gonna go back to the alcohol. Spray the alcohol in here. I'm gonna wipe off a lot of the oil. When you use the alcohol now, don't forget you just finished putting a lot of tension on your face. So that means that your alcohol might burn a little bit because you're putting friction to your skin, okay? So keep that in mind. There we go. And just in case you don't believe it, you still got more dirt off, all right? Dirt consistently on the skin. It's just natural. So you recognize how much more dirtier your face gets when you're outside, you're inside, and all this stuff is flying all over the place. Your face just starts to take in all of that beat, and you don't want that. You want your face to be cleansed daily, okay? So I'm gonna use this facial fuel, and I'm just gonna rub it on the face like I just did with everything else. Gently rub. I'm not gonna rub it through the beard. I'm gonna use my olive oil for the beard. That's gonna be the next part, the last part that I'll talk about. Oh, this feels so good. I could feel it already stimulating the skin, and that's what we want. Beautiful. All right. Next thing I do now is when we moisturize our bodies, we tend to not moisturize underneath the neck area. We tend to just rub it on our faces. We might even go behind the ears, but we tend to neglect underneath the neck. And that's what I want us to not do. So I use either olive oil, I will use shea butter, I will use castor oil. All of those things work well on my face and my beard. So I'll take a handsome amount of oil and rub it in, and I'll gently rub it over top of the beard. Use both hands, rub it. Then I start to put more pressure. And you're doing this. You don't need a beard to do it. I use more oil because I want my beard to to absorb the moisture from the oil. And I'm pressing into the skin. Okay, underneath the neck. When I go under, I'm pressing back here. I'm pressing in and pushing down. Push down to the back of the neck. And just feel how awesome that feels. How amazing. You're giving yourself a massage, and you can go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's all about the pressure, how much pressure you're putting. And get the top of the shoulders. Here we go. Oh yeah. That feels amazing. Woo. Wow. So I have my brush. I have a brush that has a soft side and a hard side. It's the older brush, but it does the job, right? A soft side, hard side. So I'm using the soft side. I'm not using the hard side. Just a gentle stroke over the skull. Combing it here back. Go to the side, the same thing. Then I come down here on the face, and then I come here. It's a great way to exfoliate the skin, just without being abrasive. Just here. I'm actually going on the face a bit, okay? Beautiful. And then I take my comb and I finish off the way I started. Oh, that feels good. That feels amazing. Ooh. I'm not going as long this time. Just a little bit. Well, yeah. Excellent. Pat, 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 pat. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Your face is definitely the first thing we see, right? The first thing people see is your face. And as I'm talking to you, I'm gonna wipe off the excess oil. You know, I want you to do these exercises, practice these things that we just did, and make sure you practice them consistently, because as we age in life, the face will be the first thing, like I said. And if you don't take care of your face and you're working your arms and working your legs and working your chest and working your back and working all these other muscle groups, but you're not working this, you forget that these have muscles, masseter, orbicularis, oculi. You have all these muscles that's around the jaw, around the face, around the jaw, the eyeballs. There's so many muscles that work. The next time I make a video, I'm gonna do one with facial exercises that you should be doing to build the muscles in your face so your face doesn't get droopy and you can look young and vibrant. Me personally, I think I look pretty darn good for 46, right? I have friends who are my age and maybe even younger, and they do not look their age, okay? So, but that's my perception. And also, when I tell people my age, they're like, what? How old are you? So yeah, it feels good to be 46, but I wanna get to 76 and look like I'm 56. How about that? All right, this is Donovan Green, telling you that your body is just a body until you make it a temple. And please leave your comment and let me know how you did. Peace.